Okay, this is just an introduction to the things that you will need for Unit 1. This is Core 2, of course. The first thing that you need is the outline. The outline tells you like the topics that we're going to be covered and basically the order that we're going to cover them. Sometimes I cover things a little bit less in depth than other things. But you should read chapters 25, chapters 27, and chapters 28. And the outline includes an outline of all the organisms that you need to know for this unit. The second thing that you'll need is that you'll need the homework pages. So you'll want to print these out and fill it out and then scan them and or take a picture, etc. to hand them in. The third thing that you'll need is the study guide. So to effectively watch the lectures, you'll want to print off the study guide, and especially these pages at the end will have the format that you will need to understand the actual groups of organisms. Then just some other random handouts that kind of go with the lectures are this one, the Primordial Pizza one, the one that's called Soup and Sandwich. Is kind of a cartoon history. I don't know if you've ever seen these, but they're pretty accurate even though they're cartoon style. This one that is about nutritional modes also includes a diagram. Both of these are in the textbook, not necessary to print it off, but you'll want to have them just know that you are going to refer to these in the textbook. Another one is the nitrogen cycle. Now this one, this is a squirrel, so it's kind of hard to tell. But anyway, you'll want to know the nitrogen cycle. This is also in the textbook, but it's one that we will refer to. And again, these two are ones that we will refer to. And also the last one. Now this one was made by a student, and the student, I thought it was nice because it just has you use the words a definition for the words, so it's just a little extra time. I'm not grading you on this, so you don't have to do it if you don't want to. And lastly is for the lab. What this is all the organisms that you need to know for the lab, and it's a place to write in their classification. You will need to know, besides the stuff that's in the lab book, you will need to know all of the classification of all the organisms in every lab that we do, and this is just for lab 1, or the lab exam 1. All right? Okay, happy studying.